Hello YouTube, Dion from MDZ with the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, a device that will turn any TV into a smart one that is using an Android platform. So let's open the box and check closely this little device that can turn any HDMI display into your media center. Now first of all, let's check the manual here. This might be the localized one, but okay, let's check this one with all the included in the box parts of this device. You can connect this one wirelessly to your local network, and okay, it seems we have the end of this English manual. Now let's open the box and see what's all about with this device. Now we can open it up here and let us inspect the actual stick. That seems to be a really great priced product for its category, and you get a lot of apps of Android platform, Google Assistant, Google Play and streaming platforms including Netflix. So let's open the box and check what else is in the box for us with this TV stick by Xiaomi, that for the price it rivals some real competition of the TV box side, that is the Android TV boxes that are more expensive, and some of the TV sticks that are currently in the market, but they don't offer at any case the Android experience of this TV stick. So first of all, let's open the box and let us slide everything out of it. It seems there is some more paperwork here, and now the box is empty. So one can also find another manual in here or a quick installation guide. And I guess this time this one might be a universal one in different languages. Just take your time with this to properly connect the device to your home network. So we also have a remote control that seems quite sleek. I really like its made plastic and it feels really good. So do more with your TV, that's the motto here. With this Android device, it has some dedicated keys and overall it's really minimalistic and a real nice feel to the touch when pressing. Here we have the compartment for the batteries to be installed before use. Two AAA batteries, not included of course, and I guess this remote might be replaceable. You should check the manufacturer's site for that. Here we have the TV stick. It can be connected with an HDMI port of your display and it will be ready to go and run the Android experience after you connect this one. But let us unwrap this plastic first. Now this might be my first gripe. This is a really glossy plastic that I hate. Perhaps this is for the remote to access the infrared sensor, but anyhow, we also have a USB power adapter that is to be connected with the TV stick, so it will need one power socket to operate. And here we have also this glossy plastic that will scratch right away after it is unwrapped, but I don't really care about this one. We have two cables included. The one is an HDMI extension that is a full HD HDMI female to male port that is for connecting that to your display, and the other end with a TV stick, so there will be some distance from the port of your display, and that will make the remote to work properly from any angle. Now this end might be connected with the HDMI like that of the TV stick, and the other end with the display, and of course another cable is needed, the one with the USB to be connected to the power socket. We have a fairly long one, that's quite fortunate. I really hate to have a short cable here, so we have this micro to typical USB cable. We connect that with the power source, and the other end here the input for the power to power up the TV stick. Now something like, okay, third time's a charm, just like that. And this is the TV stick by Xiaomi, a really low cost product that I considered it a must buy, given that you can turn any old TV into a smart one. So this was the unboxing of the Xiaomi TV stick. Comment below if this was useful, feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from MDZ, thank you for watching.